In this video, I'll show you how to use CPU-Z to check your PC specs. Let's get started. Open CPU-Z. The first tab is the CPU tab. Here you can see your processor name, the code name, core speed, the number of cores, and the number of threads. Now click the Caches tab. Here you can view your CPU cache information. Next, open the Mainboard tab. Here you can see your motherboard manufacturer, model, chipset, and BIOS version. Now click the Memory tab. Here you can check your RAM type, total memory size, frequency, and channel mode. Next, open the SPD tab. If you have more than one RAM stick, you can select each slot to see its details, such as the module size, manufacturer, speed, and part number. Now click the Graphics tab. Here you can see your graphics card information, including the GPU name, memory size, and GPU details. Finally, open the Bench tab. If you want to test your CPU performance, you can click Bench CPU, or compare your processor with another CPU. That's it. Now you know how to use CPU-Z to check your PC specifications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.